Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's see what stuff we got today. I'm like kind of glad and kind of not that we're opening up right here. Um, 'Cause this is definitely where I wanted to come. So we'll still give it a couple minutes. People get on here. Oh wow. Thank you for the like, my brother. Mm. All right, we're going. Okay. All right. So spy. This is we'll go overall look real quick here, right? I was looking over it yesterday and like what I'm expecting is that. So I'm expecting us to fill this 674 to 676 gap right there, right? That would make the most sense to me, especially after this candle on Friday. But then again, you never know. You got to be ready for both sides. So, what news? Okay. Yeah. Also, news today, no job reports, just the Fed T bill. So see how much that affects the market. But yeah, I mean, we have bearish divergence right now on the open. So um definitely watch for that, right? I was looking for price to come to 684, 685 right here, reject, and take it back down. So now we can wait for below 684, right? Below 684.4. We're pretty good to see. Excuse me. Pretty good to see if we could go all the way back down to 680. Also, if you do your fib retracement, that's exactly the golden zone on the fib of where we would be for taking off or going down, right? Just the fact these lines are exact. That's crazy. That's crazy. These my levels are exactly the fib. Gotta love it. So yeah, I said we just wait for that. Boom. See what happens here. Or we get a little boom. I'd probably just wait. I mean, you could take it from above there, but you might as well just wait till we break 687. And then once we break 687, you could take it to 689.5. Yeah, I would just do that. 688, 689. I would just do that. Keep it simple. Definitely keep it simple. This is pretty much right where pre-market is too. Yeah, 684.4 to 682 would probably be your best setup. You get that real quick. Qs is still go 614 to 612. But there's wait. Qs I like for above 618 to 623, almost 624, but yeah. So 618 to 620 to 624. Pretty clean, pretty clean. NVIDIA. The video I probably wait on. You could try to use this 175 bounce. I mean, look at this. I think today we're gonna continue down, but you can't have a bias, right? I mean, you gotta just whatever the market does. We're ready for upside or downside. So don't have a bias. Don't get married to one direction, and then make yourself think that you see something you don't. Just sit back, relax, and wait. Um, AMD, AMD here. I mean, we got some pretty good. We got some pretty good levels. Honestly, it's just gonna be waiting for them and playing them, right? I could give you the damn levels, but you gotta play them. So AMD, not too shabby. You could probably take that 210 bounce again. There's more bearish divergence on the 5. But yeah, I'd be curious to see AMD's 210. If we lose 210, excuse me, probably go to we go 208. Oh, Tessie. Tessie. Probably say you catch a little $5 move probably. Yeah, we'd have to go like here probably. Yep. Yeah. I'm good. Okay. All right. Well, Tesla, you can take below 461 down to 454. It's a great move. It's a great move, actually. I like that. Tesla is a little expensive now. So if you're on the smaller account side, you probably won't be attracted to those contracts. But shoot, I mean, 60 to $5. I think you grab one for like 800 probably. Just like a little bit outside of the money. I bring my stone dust. All right. Yeah, Tesla not opposed to it at all. And then upside, we have a break above 466 to 474. So obviously now I probably wouldn't take it to the upside. But we may have to. we just have bearish divergence again. So, we'll see. But I do think that that would be a good move that above 466 to 474. I think we would clear all that. I mean, even if we did 470, it's still $4. Let me see the 5 minute on 470. I think we'll grab it all. That'll be a trim. That'll be a trim, and then we'll see what it does if it goes to 474. But still, 466 to 470, that's a $4 move. A Tesla that could happen in like 1 5-minute candle. 3, 2, yeah. So we'll see about Tesla. And then Hood. Same. I mean, still just right in between. So it's a good reject spot. Anyways, Hood's got some pretty nice levels below 118 to 115 to 112. If we do break 118 and go to 115, I'm going to start adding to my long terms. If you guys are in here, I'm going to start adding to my long terms. Okay. If we get that, I mean, where's my distance? Yeah. All right. So if we break 116, I will start adding. And then, yeah, 110, anything below 110, shoot, every 10%, right? So, Hood, I'm expecting a bounce off of here, just like our SPY, right? SPY, the key supply that I'm waiting for is going to be the 674 to 676, 677 range, because that is our big demand down here that we have untested, right? It's an untested Asia low, untested London low. So I think that this is where price wants to go before we continue higher. I don't know about the continue higher part. Obviously, I can't read the future, but we get prepared for both. So anything below 674, then I'll take to the downside to 672, so on and so forth. So SPY, Hood, we're at some key demands right here. So that's why I'm very curious to see what happens when we do get to these levels. Meta, I think, is pretty open. Yeah, I mean, I thought there's maybe NVIDIA. No. AMD. Nah. I thought I had one more I was doing that had that. But yeah, so with Hood, I mean, you can really just watch the same bounce again. Major. Bearish divergence there, but upside above 123 to 126 for sure. So on and so forth. Below 118 to 115. So I would say this is not a zone. This is our no trade zone. All right. This is our N. What is this? What is this, y'all? NTZ. No trade zone. Price could bounce here. It could bounce here. It could bounce here. Not taking it. So We're just gonna wait to see what price does off this level. If it breaks through, we're not gonna grab it. Okay. If it doesn't, we'll grab it. Like if it comes into this box, right? Let's say we come into our zone and then come, do a little whatever and then pop back out of it. Boom, that's your trade right there. 118 to 122.73. So that's what you wait for, right? Or we're in this zone. Oh, boom, 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 boom. We pop below it. Okay, 115 to 112. Just wait. We just gotta wait and let it come to you. Microsoft, that didn't chart. I mean, I think those are pretty good, to be honest. Apple, whatever. Netflix, shoot. Mm-mm-mm. 97 to what, 101. Ugly. What's the VIX look like? VIX. Remember, when the VIX goes up, SPY goes down. All right, I think I'm good with all that. I got SPY, NVIDIA, AMD, and Tesla. SPY, wow. If we break through that, I mean, you can take it up with the bearish divergence. I don't like that. It's gonna ruin my mood today, man. I was kidding. Nothing could ruin my mood. I do this for a living. Damn. Damn. There goes our Tesla move. Jeez. All right, let's see how we do it. Watch this. Let's do our watch this. Morning, y'all. Here's what we're watching. If you were on live. Whatever, I don't even care. Lazy people just want to give me the watch list. Give me the answers. Give me the answers. I don't want to know why. I don't want to learn what. Give me the answers, man. Make me the money, man. Above 685, 5 to 687. Excuse me. Above 685, 5. Whew, excuse me. 684.4 to 682. 2. Boom. That made me dizzy. All right. What's the other ones we're watching? Tesla, man, crazy. AMD, I think 215, 216 reject or above 216 to 220. Or below 210 to 2075. No, I mean that's our NTZ. That's not our NTZ. We can take that. 210 to 2075. Nice. Tesla's just crazy. Damn. Tesla, if you're here, you know. All right, I may just give this for the watch list. Hood. Hood was actually good. Go below 118 to 115. Oh shoot, that's our no trade zone. Above 123 to 126. So then Hood, yeah, we'll just go for this bounce, this 118 bounce in between this level, right? We do want to see it get filled, obviously, and then go. So you can use the halfway point at like 116.80 for your break below, reclaim, go. But I just be on the extra safe side, you know what I mean? Just wait for the 118 reclaim if it does break below and then go. Tesla's just chugging away, dude. Tesla's one of them stocks that just you bank on it or it just destroys you. But that's crazy. See what happens, y'all. Any questions, comments, concerns? It'll be an interesting day. Always be patient. Wait for the setup you like. All right. Be patient, y'all. You know it's good. Let's go. Let's have a good week. Almost Christmas time.